Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform hard reset on your headphones Sony. You have to start by turn off your headphones. After that you need to press at the same time power button and ambient sound control button until this LED light starts flashing blue 4 times. So press and hold on it. Here we go, we have it. Now you can release your finger and firstly we should remove it. So click the information icon or settings icon. Forget this device, forget device. If you have Android, click pair new device and after that press and hold power button for at least 2 seconds to turn on your headphones. And after a hard reset it will enter to pairing mode automatically. So we can see it at the device list, just tap on it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!